starring Tommy Rettig as Jeff Miller, Jan Clayton as his mother, Ellen, George Cleveland as Gramps, and, of course, Lassie.
Jeff, could I borrow Lassie for next Saturday? What for? Something special. What? Well, I don't ask you when you want the loan of something, do I? And anyway, we're friends, and friends are supposed to lend each other things. Not Lassie. Well, if I tell you why, can I have her? Maybe. All right. Here. Cost $2 to put a dog in the obedience trials. So I took the money I was saving for a catcher's mitt, and I put Lassie in. There's big prizes, Jeff. Gold cups and silver cups, and Joe King is the judge. Lassie's got to win for sure. But Lassie doesn't belong to you. But all I want is the loan of her. Well, I'm not sure that she'll do any tricks for you. She will, so. You want to bet? Yeah, I'll bet you $1 trillion. It's a bet. Sit up, Lassie. Sit up, Lassie. Roll over, Lassie. Maybe she's sick. Nah. Roll over, Lassie. That's a good girl. Now sit up. Way up. See? I don't understand it. She always did tricks for me before. Tell you what, Porky. Why don't we go halvesies? Halvesies on what? On everything. I'll make Lassie be obedient at the dog show. Whatever she wins, we'll go halvesies on. Yeah, but it was my idea and my $2. Well, sure, but Lassie's my dog. Besides, she won't do anything for you. What good's a dog that won't be obedient at an obedience trial? I guess no good. Then it's a deal? I guess so. Shake. Say, what's Lassie supposed to do? I don't know. Suffering catfish? You mean you paid $2 and you didn't find out? Come on, we better ride over and ask Joe King.
All you gotta know about obedience trials is right here in this book. But knowing it's one thing and doing it's another.
But all we want to know is what Lassie's got to do to win.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Lassie's got just about as much chance of winning as I got of ending up as a millionaire, and that's just about no chance at all.
But why, Mr. King? Lassie's smarter than any dog in the whole world.
Oh, she's smart, all right. You bet she's smart.
But you mean we can't teach her to do the things in that book?
No, I didn't say that. You might. Well, what'll it get you?
Well, prizes, gold cups and money.
Oh, so that's it.
Well, we can try, can't we?
Well, sure. Only don't get your hopes up. Too many people come a cropper setting store by something they can't reach. Remember that.
We will. Thanks, Mr. King. Yeah, hey. Lassie, heel. That's it. Now turn someplace. Do it again. Keep walking like this guy in the picture. Lassie, heel! No, that's wrong. You can only tell her what she's supposed to do once. Come on. Heel. Lassie, come. Come here. Come on.
Confound, I got better things to do than be standing around here.
Be quiet, Grams. She's not supposed to pay any attention to you, Mr. Miller.
A lot of blame foolishness, if you ask me.
Now, around the other person.
Keep it up much longer, and even he'll be complaining.
That's it. Sit. Down. Heel. Boy, look at her. Don't spill anything on her. You know what's missing? What grown-ups hate most about dogs. Bargain? No. Come on. Wait a minute. Just wait till they see you at the dog show. You're gonna make those fancy poodles look like mutts. I got it. What? Mom's toilet water. The thing that grown-ups hate most about dogs is their smell. She don't smell bad. I know it. But we want her to smell good. Lilac. That should be just right for a collie, huh? Porky, wake up! What's the matter? Feel her. Just feel her. It only has to be warm. Bring it out.
In the morning. What's going on here?
Well, just look at her, Gramps. Mud all over and grass in her ears and...
Well, what are you standing around for? We can still get her ready by dawn. Goodness, look at them burrs. I got a wire brush in the kitchen. Now, mind, don't wake your mom up because she's liable to call off the whole business.
I saw her tracks. Is it awful?
A lot of dang nonsense, that's all.
Oh, you go on and get some sleep, Dad. I'll handle it. I have to drive into town early in the morning anyway.
What for?
Well, you don't think I'd miss the obedience trial for anything in this world, do you?
You don't think you're going to leave me behind, do you?
Good thing we brushed her teeth.
Yeah, entry slip, son.
Huh?
Entry slip.
Oh, I'm with him. We're going for obedience. The thing they mailed you, Porky. Oh!
45. Your bench number's on the stub. That'll be 50 cents.
Thanks. What?
50 cents for you.
But I already paid $2.
I know, Sonny, but the entry fee allows the dog and one handler. You'll have to pay admission.
Oh, I'd better go inside, Porky. They'll be starting soon. Wait a minute, Jeff! Jeff!
Son, you're blocking the line.
But where am I going to get the 50 cents? It's my idea and my $2. What'd they do? Kick you out because you couldn't pay 50 cents too? Who cares about an old dog show anyway?
Pokerman! Pokerman, where are you? Boy, have you seen a basset hound around here anywhere?
Is this him?
Pokerman.
You sneaked out under the tent.
Championship stock from the best of breed, and I can't even get him to sit on a bench. Doctor told me to relax, get a hobby. So I decided to show dogs. Fine relaxation. Boy, would you like to earn $1?
Well, sure.
Good. Follow me.
Come on, Pokerman. Oh, there's nothing to be scared of. Everything's gonna be all right. Porky! Hi. Hi. How'd you get in? Him. I'm getting $1, too. Where's 44? Right there. Lassie's 45. Swell. Up, Pokerman. I don't get it, Porky. A man's paying me $1 to take care of him. His name's Pokerman III. He's going in obedience, too. Oh, gee, that's good.
Number 44, next, please.
44? Eating catfish. That's us. Come on, let's go.
Are you ready? Forward.
Pokerman, heel.
Halt. Forward.
Pokerman, heel.
Left turn. Halt. Forward.
Pokerman, heel.
About turn.
Oh, what's so funny?
Right turn. Halt. Forward. Halt. Leave your dog.
Stay.
Call your dog.
Here, Pokerman. Pokerman!
Poor thing. Didn't do a single one right.
Number 45, next, please.
45? That's you, Jeff. I know it.
Number 45.
I'm coming.
Good luck, dear.
You show 'em, boy.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Forward.
Lassie, heel.
Halt. Forward.
Lassie, heel.
Left turn. Halt. Forward.
Lassie, heel.
About turn. Halt. Right turn. Halt. Forward.
Lassie, heel.
Halt. Exercise finished. Are you ready?
Yes.
Leave your dog.
Lassie, stay.
Call your dog.
Lassie, come.
Finish.
Lassie, heel.
Exercise finished.
That's my grandson.
Forward. Left turn. Halt. Forward. About turn. Halt. Forward. Right turn. Halt.
Lassie and the poodle are tied for first.
Exercise finished.
What's next?
The last thing, the long down.
Down your dog.
Down.
Leave your dog.
Stay.
How long they gotta stay there?
3 minutes. Please, Pokerman.
Oh, they're all getting up. Oh, no.
44! Pick up your basset!
Where are you?
I'm gonna teach you a lesson that you'll never forget.
No, you can't hit him.
Let go.
No, no.
Let go.
Help, 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 help,
I certainly can.
You help!
Here, get out of there.
Hold on to him! Hold on to him, Lassie! Lassie! Lassie, stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Easy, girl.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Don't you know any better than to try to beat an animal into obeying you?
All right, I am ashamed. I lost my temper. But it's not my fault, it's my doctor's fault. He told me to take up a hobby.
Then you ought to change your hobby. It takes patience to handle dogs.
That's true, and I haven't got any patience. Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about everything. Now, if somebody can find my hat.
Here it is, sir.
Oh, thank you, son. Say, you look like a young fellow with a lot of patience.
Me?
Yes. You keep the dog. I paid $300 for him, but you can have him.
He's all yours, Porky.
Oh. If Lassie hadn't have broken to help Porky, would she have won?
I hate to admit it, Jeff, after the way I tried to discourage you, but I think she would. Even as it is, you'll be getting the silver cup.
You can keep the silver cup all to yourself, Jeff. You don't have to go halfies with me, 'cause I got Pokey. Shake, shake.